years on the factory floor. Gotta hustle hard to get that